I'm going to teach you how to transpose columns into rows in Excel in just 2 minutes. If you need to switch your data from columns to rows, Excel's transpose function is what you need. Let's get started. Here we have a table with data in columns B, C, and D. Our goal is to transpose this data so it appears in rows instead. To get started, first select the cell where you want the transposed data to begin. Then type the transpose command. The transpose function takes one parameter, the range of cells you want to convert from columns to rows. In our example, we'll select the range B2 to D4. So select this range and close the parentheses. Press Enter and Excel will automatically transpose the data and link it to the original range. This means any changes made to the original data will be automatically reflected in the transposed data. But what if you don't need the data to be linked to the original range and just want to quickly switch columns to rows? There's an even faster way to do this. But before we continue, if you want to become an Excel master, I'm giving away my $397 beginner to expert Excel course for free to all my subscribers. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment "I want the course" below. I'll send you a personal link to download it for free. Now let's continue. If you only need to transpose the data without keeping it linked to the original range, you can use the paste special method. Here's how. First, select a range of data you want to transpose. Copy the selected range by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard or by right-clicking and selecting Copy from the menu. Next, choose the cell where you want the transposed data to appear. Right-click and select Paste Special. In the Paste Special dialog box, select the option that says Transpose. Excel will transpose your data, flipping the columns into rows instantly. And that's how it works.